Hi, bye. Welcome to the show.
Welcome to the show. It's Canada Day weekend.
Woohoo!
And Daddy's off for 9 weeks. Yeah.
We're excited to have him home for 2 solid months, which means we have an extra set of hands, which means we can go on more adventures.
So today we're doing our summer bucket list, which is something that Amanda and I started before we had kids.
Yep.
So it's a tradition we're continuing. And so today we're gonna talk about the things we want to do this summer.
Lexi, what do you want to do this summer?
I like to go swimming and
Yeah. Where are we gonna swim? The pool? Grammy and Grandpa's pool. We're gonna swim at the lake.
Yeah.
Mama and Papa's lake.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to the beach.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that'll be fun.
I'll go.
Yeah. Dad's gonna work on his farmer's tan because we're gonna go visit 2 farms this summer.
Yes, we are.
We're gonna go to. I have some family up in Matheson, so we're gonna go visit them.
Stop fighting or I'm taking it away.
Share. Yeah, they have chickens and horses, so we're gonna go there and have some fun with them.
And then we're going to go visit my sister who lives down south. And she lives
On a produce
on a
farm.
produce farm where they grow soybeans and peppers.
Hey, be nice. Share. Share.
Ta-da!
And they have a farmer's market, which was a lot of fun. Alexi loved working at the farmer's market last summer, so we're gonna go to some more of that this summer. Hey, Alexi, you're gonna work the cash. You're gonna sell produce
Can you
to
sell strawberries?
Yeah.
Yeah.
strawberries and honey and all sorts of stuff.
We got some other trips. Zoe, do you want to go see some animals? See animals, probably at a zoo or a petting zoo or something like that. We're not quite sure, but we're gonna go see some animals at some point this summer.
Alexi's talking about going underground.
Ooh, Lexi, where do you want to go?
Apparently, yes, when we went underground, no one wanted to go under to see how underground was, and no one else wanted to go to the park.
Yes, we went to Dynamic Earth a couple weeks ago with some friends, and here's Friday. Went to Dynamic Earth, and none of the friends wanted to go underground or to the park. We did the indoor attractions, so Alexi was a little
She was excited to see.
disappointed. So we're gonna go back.
Yeah, she was excited to see what was happening, what would underground be like. So we're gonna take her back and go see what it's all about underground mining operation. We're also talking about going to visit who vacations in the Muskokas during the summer, Alexi?
Ho ho ho!
Who's that?
Santa!
Yeah.
Santa's at Santa's Village, so we're gonna go visit Santa's Village, and we're gonna do some camping at Santa's Village, right? We're gonna do some camping at Santa's Village.
Zoe, where are you going?
We're gonna stay in a cabin.
Are you gonna go on the roller coaster?
Yeah.
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 Are we gonna ride the train?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The train.
Yeah, we're gonna do lots of fun
Okay,
stuff like that.
I think those are our big name trips for this year.
And then we're also gonna do lots of fun stuff around here, like evening bike rides, and while they're doing row your boat, Alexi and I are gonna go row our boat down the river. There's a river behind our house, and so we're talking about doing some exploring on the river. We're gonna be like Huckleberry Finn and go down the river. Okay?
And we're also talking about going to the splash pad, going to get strawberries at the strawberry farm,
Doing some blueberry picking, some raspberry picking.
seeing some fireworks at some point.
Yeah. We're really excited to go get some ice cream. We found an ice cream shop in our city that serves ice cream that Alexi can eat, so we're excited to go and try that out, right, Alexi?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Oh, Alexi, look, I got a bubble on my hand.
Those are our plans for the summer.
If you haven't already done so, make sure that you click subscribe and click on the bell so you get notifications for all our videos. And follow us on Twitter and Instagram and Facebook. And thanks for watching.
We'll hope to see you guys around this summer. Say bye.
Bye. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to get notifications when we upload our latest videos.
Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to leave us a comment. We'll see you next week for more activities, adventures, and lifelong learning.
Bye!